Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is review about PES University, the complete placement breakdown I'm going to give in this video, right? So first about the PES University, this was established in 1988. So it's like almost a 40-year-old college, and it is one of the premium technical institute and research university based out of Bangalore. So in terms of its NAC accreditation, it's a NAC A plus college and provide for great academics and placement. So I'm covering here. So this is the main campus of the college, PES University, which is located in Bhanshankari, third stage, Bangalore. So they have basically two campus, Ring Road campus, which is located in Outer Ring Road at Bhanshankari, third stage. And the second campus is based out of Electronic City campus, which is in the tech hub on the Hosur Road, Electronic City. So first talking about the main campus, which is Ring Road campus, RR campus, it is called Bhanshankari third stage. It is basically 30 acres good campus with meticulously planned layout and facilities. And it has a self-contained campus. It's a campus is like 3.5 million square feet, both the campus put together, and provides for accommodation, technical research, and vibrant extracurricular activities. Then there is a second campus which is located on the IT corridor Hosur Road, and this offers also spacious tech-immersed student environment. So this campus is also having a wide windy landscape layout, all the modern facilities in the modern glass and brick corporate type architecture. So in this campus also they have the medical hub, which is their medical college, PES University Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, which is also having 1,000-bed multi-specialty hospital on the campus. And Electronic City campus also has basically the recreational hub, so student food court, automated gyms, iconic cricket ground, everything, along with a good amount of incubator startups and the international student participations. So now directly I will come to the admissions part of it. So basically they take admission through Karnataka CET, which is for the candidates who are based out of Karnataka with a domicile certificate, and they can basically attend government counseling process for the admission to 40% of this overall seats. Then there is the second way of admission, which is basically PESU merit quota based using JEE mains KCET scorecard, and they can register on admissions.pesu. And this counseling is over, so PESU quota is already done. And the third way is basically higher fee category, which is nothing but management quota. So seat can be pre-booked if you are looking, and this is the email admissions@pes.edu for admission based on management quota. Now these are the some details if you want to reach them. Now we'll talk about the different programs which are available. So the biggest branch in both the campus is btech CSC, available in RR Nagar as well as the Electronic City campus. Second is btech CSC with AIML. This is also available in both campuses. Then you have Electronics and Communication Engineering ECE, you have Mechanical Engineering ME, and you have Electrical and Electronics Engineering EEE branch, as well as btech in Biotechnology BT. Now let's talk about the campus placement for the last 2 years. Before that,
so if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences, so if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to avail this service you have to pay 2,000 rupees as scanning this code, and we can start the discussions.
So in terms of the PES University placement, the highest package is 68 lakhs, which is quite excellent. And I'm going to give the exact placement details of 2025 batch. You can see it's a complete branch-wise placements for UGCET batch of 2025 as of July 12, 2025. So you see computer science engineering 1, 2, 4, 3 students, 1200 students were eligible, and they have different brackets of offers. T1 offers are basically the best offers. So T1 offers are typically more than 10 lakhs package. So 512 T1 offers at 512 students got more than 10 lakhs. T2 offers are in the range of 6 to 10 lakhs, which is 217 offers, and T3 offers are less than 6 lakhs package. So you can see very good amount of T1 offers. So 767 offers, 767 students total placed in computer science, and the total number of offers were 843. That means 76 students had the multiple offers. ECE 328 offers were there. 44 offers are T1 more than 10 lakhs. 70 offers between 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs, and T3 offers less than 6 lakhs, around 20 offers. But the total number of placements and ECE is very low. You can see only 134 students of ECE placed and 10 students got the multiple offers. So total 144 offers in ECE, which is quite less, but CSE is excellent here. Electrical electronics engineering, 59 students eligible for placement, only 3 students got more than 10 lakhs, so you cannot go for electrical in this college. It will not be great choice. And similarly for electrical, 3 students between 6 to 10 lakhs, and most of the students got less than 6 lakhs. So 17 students in 6 to 10 lakhs and 1 student in T3. Total 21 offers only electrical. Mechanical engineering, only 56 offers. 4 students got more than 10 lakhs. 3 students in 6 to 10 lakhs and 10 students in less than 6 lakhs. Only 17 offers. Biotechnology also very low placements. So that was 2025 placements. I'm also going to give now 2026 placements. So 2026 placements, total students eligible 1844, total number of offers 1043, and total number of student placed 954, and this is still going on. In terms of internship offers, 1290 offers, visiting companies total 218, highest stipend during internship is 1.25 lakh rupees, and for this year, that is 2026 batch, the highest salary is now 56 lakhs, average package around 11 lakhs, and the median compensation around 9.8 lakhs for 2026 batch. So that's all I have to cover in this short video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.